Just 50 years ago, Dubai was a small unknown town in the middle of an unforgiving desert. This all changed when oil was discovered in the region, transforming Dubai from a desert backwater port to the booming metropolis, which ranks at the third position as the city with the most skyscrapers in the world. Hey you all, my luxury list welcomes you back with yet another great video to acknowledge luxury. In this video, we will tell you about Dubai's transformation from a village to a high-tech city and its future. What started as a small town is now transformed into a business and tourism hub, unlike anything seen before. Home to mind-blowing structures like Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, and soon the Dubai Creek Tower. Keep watching the video and make sure you stay tuned until the end to not miss out on anything we share. Before getting into it, smash the subscribe button to get subscribed to my luxury list and hit the bell icon for regular notifications whenever we upload a new video. Ready? Here we go. 1999, Burj Al Arab. The Burj Al Arab is one of the tallest hotels-only buildings in the world with a total height of 311 meters, 1,050 feet. It is slightly taller than the Eiffel Tower and about 60 meters shorter than the Empire State Building. In 1999, after 5 years of construction, the $1 billion sail-shaped building was completed. The hotel stands magnificently atop an artificial island. Hotel guests who don't own a helicopter can access the Burj Al Arab using the bridge. You are lucky to have a helicopter as the helipad is used for record-breaking sports events. Once it was also transformed into a boxing ring, a tennis court, and even a race car track. 2001, the Palm Jumeirah. The quest for ultimate luxury in Dubai didn't end with the Burj Al Arab. In June of 2001, the construction of Palm of Jumeirah began, and by 2006, the first residential units were sold to the public. The Palm Jumeirah was part of the massive land reclamation project known as the Palm Islands, including two archipelagos, the Palm Deira and the Palm Jebel Ali. The palm's crescent-shaped backwaters were the first to be constructed to prevent strong sea currents from damaging the inner island structures. By the time all 17 fronts of Palm Jumeirah were complete, and the project had cost a mind-blowing $12 billion. 2009, the Dubai Metro. To move around Dubai faster, you need to use the Dubai Metro. This rapid transit rail network was launched in 2009 and comprised the fully automated and driverless trains that travel across 49 stations. In total, the Dubai Metro covers 75 kilometers or 46 miles, making it the longest automated driverless metro worldwide. This is all by means impressive, and the length is dwarfed by the New York subway, which has 10 times as many stations and covers roughly 400 kilometers or 250 miles. 2010, the Burj Khalifa. Dubai is home to the longest driverless metro and the world's tallest skyscrapers, the Burj Khalifa. With a height of 828 meters or 2,720 feet. To clinch this record, the Dubai government began the construction of Burj Khalifa in 2004. 6.5 billion later, the Burj Khalifa was officially opened on January 4th, 2010. At the height of the construction, more than 12,000 workers were working on the skyscraper every day. By the time the final slab of the Burj Khalifa was laid, more than 50,000 tons of steel had been used, enough to build the Eiffel Tower 6 times. 2010, Al Maktoum International Airport. While architectural marvels like Palm Jumeirah and the Burj Khalifa are quickly becoming tourist hotspots, Dubai also had to expand its airports to keep up with the ever-growing tourist stream. Located in Jebel Ali's region, Al Maktoum is an international airport named after the ruler of the Emirate of Dubai, Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. It is also known as the Dubai World Central International Airport and was opened in 2010. The construction of the airport is believed to have cost the Dubai government a jaw-dropping $82 billion. Today, the airport is the fourth busiest airport worldwide with about 90 million passengers. 2018, Dubai Frame. While the Al Maktoum Airport was built for functionality, the Dubai Frame, on the other hand, was created to showcase the city's extravagance. This magnificent architectural landmark is located in Dubai's Zabeel Park and was opened in 2018, costing the Dubai government a staggering $62 million. Made from aluminum, glass, steel, and reinforced concrete, the frame stands at an impressive 150 meters or 500 feet height. It is positioned so that visitors can see the modern features of Dubai when facing one side and older sections sections of the city when facing the other side. This design model has had its fair share of controversy and has even been dubbed the most prominent picture frame on the planet. Fernando Doniz did the actual design. However, he later took the Dubai government to court on allegations that his intellectual property had been stolen and he was never compensated for the designs. 2021, The Eye. As the main attraction on the recently completed Blue Waters Island, The Eye will be the world's tallest observation wheel. Once completed in early 2021, The Eye will be 250 meters or 820 feet tall. This will dwarf the current tallest observation wheel, the High Roller in Las Vegas, which stands at just 167 meters or 550 feet tall. If you were to lay the cable wires of 192 spokes out in a horizontal line, they would never cover the distance of 2,400 kilometers or 1,500 miles. 2021, One Zabeel. Giant Ferris wheels might be impressive, but there is something genuinely irresistible about skyscraper projects, particularly the One Zabeel. This twin tower project is currently under construction and is expected to be completed in May 2021. The first tower will be more than 300 meters tall, roughly the height of the Eiffel Tower. Both buildings will be connected with an impressive panoramic sky cantilever, suspended 100 meters above the ground. It would be the world's longest cantilever and feature numerous attractions, including lounges and restaurants. 2021, the Meydan District One. What was conceptualized in 2007 as a simple housing project has now morphed into a metropolis in the Nod Al Shabab region. Apart from hosting the biggest horse racing festival as well as the Dubai World Cup, the Meydan District One will also be the home to the Meydan One, a 711-meter tall residential tower. Once completed, it would be the tallest residential tower worldwide. It will also be home to 83,000 high-profile residents and the longest indoor ski slope globally, which stretches to an impressive 1 kilometer long. 2021, the Dubai Creek Tower Harbour. While Meydan City is no doubt impressive, it will undoubtedly be dwarfed by the Dubai Creek Harbour. This project is located along Dubai Creek and scheduled for completion in 2021. Once finalized, it would be home to several service departments and some open parks and spaces. The most impressive feature and the centerpiece of this residential paradise would be the Dubai Creek Tower. When completed, the Dubai Creek Tower will be the tallest structure ever built by man. The architects keep the exact height a secret so that no competitor such as the Jeddah Tower can plan and build a higher building. This leaves a lot of room for speculation on what its final height will be. We know that the tower will rise between 900 to 1,400 meters tall, which is about 3.5 times the size of the Empire State Building. The estimated cost of construction is $1 billion. It will have 10 of the world's highest observation decks that will provide panoramic views of Dubai. The observation decks will offer rotating balconies that extend outside the tower's facade. There will also be 2 garden decks whose design were inspired by the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Construction on the tower began in 2016 and was supposed to be finished by 2020. No work has been spotted on the site recently, and considering all the unique events that have taken place in 2020, and the completion date is likely to be pushed to a later time. So, that's all guys. What do you think of Dubai's transformation and the future skyscrapers or mega projects to be completed? Which of these mega projects have you visited or would like to see? Let us know in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to my luxury list, then smash the subscribe button now. Otherwise, you are missing out.